Ensure that the unit is shut off and unplugged. Place the 3 large washers over the 3 mounting studs. Place the 3 spacers over the large washers. Lower the fan motor onto the 3 mounting studs. Ensure that the shaft has all the threads coming out through the compartment top. Using 11/32 wrench or socket, start and tighten the 3 retaining nuts. Referencing the wiring diagram, connect the 2 fan wires. Place the thick washer onto the motor shaft, followed by the fan blade. Start and hand tighten one of the fan blade nuts. Using a 7/16 wrench or socket, tighten the retaining nut. Start and hand tighten the second retaining nut until it meets the first one. Using a 7/16 socket or wrench, tighten the retaining nut. Mount the fan cover onto the rear mounting lugs and secure the front with the 2 retaining nuts using a 7/16 wrench or socket. Replace the unit top and using a Phillips screwdriver secure with the 6 retaining screws. Plug the unit in and power on to verify that the fan is working correctly.